Hey creators, hope all is well. This is Ibrahim, founder of Thumbnail Maker Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to use the Thumbnail Maker app in its entirety. So we just did a complete revamp of the product, launched some new features with it, so we're excited to show you all. So essentially, you're going to be inside here, your dashboard. In here, you're going to have your dashboard, which has all your recent videos down here. So all the videos you ran through our system is down here. You have your headshots, which you can upload up to 3 headshots of your face. So if you have a video that doesn't have faces in it, or you don't, or if you don't like the faces that we generate, we can use your headshot as an alternative way. And then right here, obviously, is your dashboard. You got your learning center, which is all the videos, your profile, which has your settings, your name, username, all that stuff. You can delete your account here. And so those are the different elements you have. So right here, all you do is you take a video and you paste it in. You want to make sure that your video is unlisted or public. Right here is faces. So again, the purpose of Thumbnail Maker is that we generate thumbnails using your face either in your video or your headshot. So right here you have faces, which is set to auto, but you can set it to 1, 2, or 3. It's best if you have like a podcast or a video with 2 or 3 people, just set it to the number of faces you'd like, just so it detects it, because sometimes auto might only detect 1 or 2 faces when you have a video that has 3 faces. So this just ensures that. But in this case, my video has 1 face. I'm just going to click that. And then all you do is you click generate. And Taja is now going to go through its loading state and start generating the thumbnail maker. And then as you see right here is your loading state. And then it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the thumbnails to generate. But in this case, it generated very quick. So right here, I can see my generated thumbnails. So I got, the face from the video. I have this one. It generates 4 for me. And then if I click this, I can generate more. Please note, to generate more, you have to be on the highest tiered plan. There are some editing capabilities I want to show you here. So the first is the edit button. So let's say you don't like what this thumbnail generated. You can just click this button and then tell it to change the caption. So the caption of the thumbnail can get changed here. You can change the image, such as the background, etc. But just like prompting, just like how you normally talk to like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever you use to as your large language model, same way, you just prompt it how you like. And then you just click apply changes for those changes to apply. Then right here, you have your face. So this is where face swap comes in. So again, if you have headshots, you can upload that here. If you already uploaded them, they'll just appear here. But then here are some other faces from the video that the product that the product detected. And so you can be like, I don't want this face. I want this or that face. All you do is you click on the face, and then you can click on right here. You have more prompting. So if you just want to swap the face and click swap face, you can do that. But then there's also prompting, such as the expressions. You'd be like, I want it serious, happy, etc. And then you have the hand gesture, which you can select. And then you just click that, and then it will go through its loading state. The other element we have is just the expression. So you have to swap your face in order to do that, but you can just do that by face swap and then changing the expression down here. The other element we have is just background. So we have background presets. So if you're like, I don't like the background that's generated, we have other backgrounds that you can select from to generate the thumbnail with, and we'll be adding more. The other element we have is just custom prompting. So however you want to prompt your background, you can do that. Right here, you have download, which can download and upload it to YouTube directly. We have duplicate, which will duplicate the thumbnail. This is most useful if you want to make variations to another thumbnail and don't want to lose this thumbnail. Then we have version history. This actually saves the most recent 3 edits you make. It saves those. So if you're like, I want, you make some edits here, etc., from the face swap or whatever, you can actually click on this, and then it'll pull up all the previous thumbnails that you regenerated, and so you can be like, I want to go back. So it's just like an undo type of element, but it's just your most recent 3 edits are here. So that and a gist is how you're able to use Thumbnail Maker. Please note that this is an early version of Thumbnail Maker. We are working to make this better, so please give us some feedback of what you think when you play with it, how we can make this better for you, what else you want to see as we continue to build out this product. But That and then just as thumbnail maker. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to hearing about all the ways you take advantage of this product, as well as all the feedback that you have regarding it. Take care.